Are you looking to enhance your skincare routine with a powerful topical treatment? Look no further than Tazarotene and Tretinoin. These two ingredients have gained popularity for their ability to improve various skin concerns, from acne to signs of aging. But which one is the best choice for your specific needs? In this video, we will decode the differences between Tazarotene and Tretinoin, helping you make an informed decision for your skincare regimen. Tazarotene belongs to a class of medications called retinoids and is known for its effectiveness in treating acne and psoriasis. On the other hand, Tretinoin, a form of vitamin A, is commonly prescribed for reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and improving skin texture. By understanding the distinctions between Tazarotene and Tretinoin, you can determine which one aligns better with your skincare goals. Whether you're struggling with acne or aiming for a more youthful appearance, we'll provide insights to guide you towards the best choice. So, let's dive deeper into the world of Tazarotene and Tretinoin to help you unlock the secrets to healthier, more radiant skin. What are Tazarotene and Tretinoin? Tazarotene and Tretinoin are both topical retinoids, but they differ in their chemical structure and how they work on the skin. Tazarotene is a synthetic retinoid, specifically a prodrug, which means it is converted into its active form by enzymes in the body. It works by binding to specific receptors in the skin cells, regulating cell growth and differentiation. Tretinoin, on the other hand, is a naturally occurring derivative of vitamin A. It also acts on the skin cells, promoting cell turnover and collagen synthesis. Understanding the differences between Tazarotene and Tretinoin. While both Tazarotene and Tretinoin are retinoids, they have some key differences. Tazarotene has been primarily studied and approved for the treatment of acne and psoriasis, while Tretinoin is commonly prescribed for reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and improving skin texture. Tazarotene is known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective in reducing acne-related inflammation. Tretinoin, on the other hand, is renowned for its ability to stimulate collagen production, leading to improved skin elasticity and a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Benefits of Tazarotene for skincare. Tazarotene offers several benefits for skincare. Its primary advantage lies in its effectiveness against acne. Tazarotene works by unclogging pores, reducing oil production, and preventing the formation of new acne lesions. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm existing inflammation, reducing redness and swelling associated with acne breakouts. Additionally, Tazarotene has been found to improve the appearance of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, the dark spots that can linger after acne lesions have healed. Furthermore, Tazarotene has shown promising results in the treatment of psoriasis. It helps normalize the excessive growth and shedding of skin cells associated with this condition, leading to a reduction in redness, scaling, and thickness of psoriatic plaques. The anti-inflammatory properties of Tazarotene also contribute to its efficacy in managing psoriasis symptoms. Benefits of Tretinoin for skincare. Tretinoin is widely recognized for its anti-aging benefits. It stimulates collagen production, which helps improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By promoting cell turnover, Tretinoin also helps fade dark spots, improve skin texture, and even out skin tone. Additionally, Tretinoin can increase the effectiveness of other skincare products by enhancing their absorption into the skin. Tretinoin is not only beneficial for aging skin but can also be effective in treating acne. Similar to Tazarotene, Tretinoin helps unclog pores and reduce oil production, preventing the formation of new acne lesions. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that aid in calming existing inflammation. Side effects of Tazarotene. While Tazarotene offers numerous benefits, it is essential to be aware of its potential side effects. Tazarotene can cause skin irritation, including redness, dryness, and peeling. These side effects are typically mild and temporary, but if they become severe or persistent, it is advisable to consult a dermatologist. Tazarotene can also make the skin more sensitive to sunlight, so it is crucial to use sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this medication. Side effects of Tretinoin. Like Tazarotene, Tretinoin may cause skin irritation, including redness, dryness, and peeling, especially during the initial weeks of use. These side effects usually subside as the skin becomes accustomed to the medication. Tretinoin can also increase skin sensitivity to sunlight, so sunscreen and sun protection measures should be an integral part of the skincare routine. In some cases, Tretinoin may cause temporary darkening of the skin, but this is usually reversible. Choosing between Tazarotene and Tretinoin for your skincare routine. When deciding between Tazarotene and Tretinoin, it is essential to consider your specific skincare goals. If you are primarily concerned with acne or psoriasis, Tazarotene may be the better choice due to its targeted anti-inflammatory and pore-clearing properties. On the other hand, if you are more focused on anti-aging benefits, such as reducing fine lines, improving skin texture, and fading dark spots, Tretinoin may be the preferred option. It is also worth noting that Tazarotene is available by prescription only, while Tretinoin can be found in both prescription-strength formulations and over-the-counter products. Consulting with a dermatologist is recommended to determine the most suitable option for your skin type and concerns. How to incorporate Tazarotene or Tretinoin into your skincare routine. When incorporating Tazarotene or Tretinoin into your skincare routine, it is crucial to start slowly and gradually increase the frequency of use. This allows your skin to adjust to the medication and minimize the risk of irritation. It is typically recommended to apply Tazarotene or Tretinoin at night, as sunlight can destabilize these ingredients and reduce their effectiveness. Before applying Tazarotene or Tretinoin, cleanse your face thoroughly and ensure it is completely dry. Begin with a pea-sized amount and gently massage the product onto your skin, avoiding the sensitive areas around the eyes, nose, and mouth. Follow with a moisturizer to help alleviate potential dryness. Remember to use sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Alternatives to Tazarotene and Tretinoin. If Tazarotene or Tretinoin is not suitable for your skin or you prefer to explore alternatives, there are other ingredients that offer similar benefits. Adapalene, another retinoid, is available over the counter and is known for its effectiveness against acne. It is generally well tolerated and causes less irritation compared to Tazarotene and Tretinoin. For anti-aging benefits, ingredients like retinol, bakuchiol, and peptides can be beneficial. Retinol is a milder form of vitamin A that is converted into tretinoin in the skin. Bakuchiol is a plant extract that has been shown to have retinol-like effects without the potential for irritation. Peptides, on the other hand, stimulate collagen production and provide anti-aging benefits. Conclusion. In conclusion, the dynamic duo of Tazarotene and Tretinoin stands as a powerful arsenal in the pursuit of healthier and more radiant skin. Tazarotene, specifically tailored for addressing acne and psoriasis, and Tretinoin, celebrated for its anti-aging prowess, offer distinct benefits that cater to diverse skincare goals. Understanding the nuances between these two potent ingredients is key to making an informed decision that aligns with your specific skin concerns and objectives. Tazarotene, with its efficacy in managing acne and psoriasis, serves as a targeted solution for individuals grappling with these dermatological challenges. Its unique mechanism of action involves promoting skin cell turnover, which not only aids in unclogging pores but also contributes to a smoother complexion. Tretinoin, on the other hand, has earned its reputation as a go-to ingredient for combating signs of aging. Renowned for its ability to stimulate collagen production and enhance skin elasticity, Tretinoin is a formidable ally in the quest for a youthful and rejuvenated appearance. Regardless of your choice between Tazarotene and Tretinoin, a prudent approach involves initiating use with a low concentration and gradually increasing it over time. This helps acclimate the skin and minimize potential side effects, such as dryness or irritation, ensuring a smoother integration into your skincare routine. Personalization is key, as individual skin types and sensitivities vary, necessitating an approach that is tailored to your unique needs. In the event that neither Tazarotene nor Tretinoin aligns with your skin's preferences or if you have specific concerns, rest assured that there are alternative ingredients available. Consulting with a dermatologist provides an opportunity for personalized advice, allowing you to navigate the myriad of skincare options with confidence. Dermatologists can offer insights into the ideal concentration, frequency, and complementary products that enhance the efficacy of Tazarotene or Tretinoin in your routine. By choosing the right ingredient and adopting a diligent and informed approach to usage, you can unlock the secrets to healthier, more radiant skin. Whether you are targeting acne, psoriasis, or signs of aging, the power lies in understanding your skin's unique needs and collaborating with skincare professionals to craft a regimen that optimizes the benefits of Tazarotene or Tretinoin, paving the way for a complexion that exudes vitality and vibrancy. Thanks for watching.